Okay. So, shut down on me again. That. This. Here. All right, so the first part of this, and again, hopefully you did logs last year, so for the most part, you should be good. The first part of this is, there, perfect. Okay, okay. So we got the log 7 of 56. So basically all it is, change of base says we take the log of the number, which is 56, and put it over the log of the base, which is 7, which now enables you to approximate it in the calculator. All right, you would then go to your calculator and do one of two things. All right, you would either use the common log, which is the log of base 10, so the log of 56 divided by the log of 7 gives you 2.06, or you can use the natural log button and you will get the same answer. Okay, what you cannot do is divide the numbers and then do the log. So like 56 divided by 7 will not give you the correct answer. All right. All right. It even works with ones that you can do without the calculator. For example, the log of 25 is the log of 25 divided by the log of 5. All right. You will notice 25 is a power of 5. All right. However, when you do it, log of 25 divided by the log of 5, you get the 2. The same one you got by doing it with the hand. All right. Don't forget, whether it's no matter what it is, if you get a negative number, you have no solution. And that's all change of base involved. That's all change. All right. Okay. Now, expanding logarithms. Expanding logarithms. We are going to use properties of logarithms and write them out in a bigger fashion. This will help us later on, all right, when dealing with equations. So the natural log of x times y times z. Idea number 1, a square root is equivalent to 1/2 as an exponent. So the first thing either in your head or on paper is this becomes a natural log of x times y times z to the 1/2. Now, from the notes you took the other day, the exponent becomes your coefficient. So 1/2 natural log of x times y times z. And then multiplications become addition. So that becomes 1/2 natural log of x plus 1/2 natural log of y plus 1/2 natural log of z. If you would rather write them over 2 instead of the 1/2, that's perfectly acceptable. When working with exponents and roots, make sure you realize which ones have it and which ones don't. For example, z is just z, whereas x and y are being raised to the 1/3. So step 1, log 5 of z, x to the 1/3, y to the 1/3. If you want to write them separately, you can. If you would rather break them up first, if that's easier for you, feel fine. Log 5 of z plus log 5 of x to the 1/3 plus log 5 of y to the 1/3. All right. And then take your exponents and move them to be coefficients. So our final answer is log 5 of z plus 1/3 log 5 of x plus 1/3 log 5 of y. So when you're done expanding with variables, there should be no two variables together. Each variable should have its own log. All right. Okay, you may want to use the power law and raise the exponent right away. So in other words, this entire expression is being raised to the 6th. So it becomes log 2 of u to the 6th, v to the 24. Multiplication gets replaced with addition. So that becomes the log 2 of u to the 6th plus the log 2 of v to the 24. Personally, this is the way I do it to make it easier on myself, but you can do whatever you'd like. Which then we take the exponent, 6 log 2 of u plus 24 log 2 of v. So if you would, take those ideas and work on number 7. we got the log 6 of x squared plus log 6 of y to the 4th, which gives us 2 log 6 of x plus 4 log 6 of y. All right. All right. We bring up number 8 because it involves division, and division becomes subtraction. So this becomes the log 7 of 5 squared minus the log 7 of y of 11 to the 4th. All right, so division becomes subtraction, and then the exponents become coefficients. So that becomes 2 log 7 of 5 minus 4 log 7 of 11. Okay, now going the other way, condensing, and then we're done. Condense each expression into a single logarithm. So number 9, 5 log 7 of z plus the log 7 of x over 2. Now we're going to work in the reverse. So when we expanded, we did exponents last. I would tell you to take care of exponents first. So this becomes the log 7 of z to the 5th plus log 7 of x to the 1/2. Okay, and then addition becomes multiplication. So basically, that would become the log 7 of z to the 5th times x to the 1/2. Now, if you wrote your answer like that on a quiz, I'd be fine. However, make sure you can identify 1/2 is the same as the square root. So log 7, all right, of z to the 5th times the square root of x. Or if you're more comfortable, the square root of x times z to the 5th. All right. All right. 3 log 2 of 10 minus 18 log 2 of 3. All right. Subtraction is division. Coefficients are exponents. So log 2 of 10 cubed minus log 2 of 3 to the 18th. Again, you're not going to evaluate it. You're just going to write it as a single logarithm. Subtraction, like we said, becomes division. So log 2 of 10 to the 3rd over 3 to the 18th. And that's all you got to do. You got to meet your goal. Your goal is to write it as a single logarithm. So if you would, use those ideas to work on numbers 11 and 12 real quick. You're working on 11 and 12 real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it'll be open on midnight. So you're good. Okay. Oh, no problem. I just wanted to make sure. That's not going to be a problem. Is there anybody else who can't take it today? Because of some type of school obligation? So it'll be open till midnight, so whenever you do. Okay, so it'll be open from 2:12 to midnight. So everybody's good. All right. So, two log 4 of A becomes the log 4 of A squared. B becomes B to the 6th. All right. And then subtraction becomes division. So log 4, A squared over B to the 6th. And when I look at number 12, log 5 of 10 to the 5th over, I believe it's going to be 7 to the 20th. Good? All right, I figured. Most of you guys, hopefully, like I said, saw this last year. All right. If you need a physical copy of the homework that's due tomorrow at midnight, I'll throw it right there. It's posted on Friday. All right, you have the rest of the period to work on that or review for your quiz. All right. Those of you at home, if you would like to, I show number 7 again. There you go. All right. For those of you at home, if you're good, I'm good. If you need to talk to me about today's quiz, or if you have a question about it, feel free to stay on. Otherwise, have yourself a good day. Yeah. When is the one in front of you due? Tomorrow night at midnight. I'm taking the quiz today.
Mr. Strada,
That would be me, Lally.
is there a certain time I have to take the quiz by?
No. Why? Basketball?
Wait, what'd you say? It like broke up.
Basketball?
Yeah, and then I have softball after that.
Oh my God! Isn't that illegal?
No, I guess.
Softball's a spring sport. It's the middle of winter. What time are you getting home?
Like 7?
Okay.
8 maybe?
As long as, yeah. It'll be up until midnight.
Oh, okay, cool.
So you'll be good to go. If something happens that you can't do it, email me. But yeah, it'll be up till midnight.
Okay, thank you.
You're good, Sam. Have a good day. All right. I'm gonna do this. Recording.